this is Katie with Peachtree City Foamcraft. Today we're going to discuss how to install a Peachtree City Foamcraft monument sign. The first step is to determine exactly where you want to install your monument sign, and then to prepare the surface for installation. Once you've determined the exact location where your sign is to be installed, you will want to take the two pieces of styrofoam from your crate or soft blanket and place them down on the ground so that you can protect your sign face prior to installation. Now that we have the location set, we're going to prep the site for installation. Next, you're going to align your galvanized steel pipe directly with the holes. You're going to place them inside the sleeves and slowly turn while spraying the expandable foam, such as the great stuff. It's time to wait an hour or two for the foam to dry. Installer's tip. We use a wood wedge similar to this, place it in between the PVC liner and the pipe. This will create enough pressure at the bottom of the sign to secure the pipe, so when you stand the pipe up, the pipe will not fall out of the structure. Now that your sign is placed, you will want to make sure that it is plumb and level before beginning permanent cement installation. We are almost there, ready for our final step, permanent installation. You will take a bag of concrete mix and water, mix it up in a large bucket like the orange bucket that we have here. Once that's mixed up and ready to go, you're going to want to make sure to take a piece of scrap cardboard like this to continue to protect your sign face. Once the sign face is protected, you will go ahead and you will pour your concrete mix into the holes. That's it, the installation is complete. To protect your new sign from damage, we recommend that you install landscaping around the structure. This will deter lawnmowers and weed whackers from accidentally hitting your structure.